Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. In this video we will examine phenomena that science cannot yet explain. These phenomena continue to intrigue scientists and laypeople alike, serving as a reminder of the vast and exciting frontiers in science that remain to be explored. These phenomena highlight the ongoing need for scientific inquiry and discovery. Science is always evolving, so our understanding of these areas may change and expand over time. These topics highlight the dynamic nature of scientific inquiry and the continual pursuit of understanding in various fields. Each unanswered question or unexplained phenomenon represents a potential breakthrough waiting to happen. 1. The limits of human perception. Human perception has limits that affect how we experience reality. Understanding the boundaries of sensory perception, including why certain stimuli are not detectable and how perception can be altered, is an ongoing area of research. 2. The origin of life. There are several theories about how life began on Earth, but no definitive answers. The transition from simple organic compounds to the basic building blocks of life and the process of biological evolution is still an unsolved puzzle. 3. Comprehensive causes of neurological diseases. There is still much to learn about the exact causes and potential treatments for neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The interplay of genetic, environmental, and biochemical factors in the onset of these diseases remains unclear. 4. Near-death experiences, NDEs. Near-death experiences involve reports of people who have come close to death and experienced vivid sensations such as moving through a tunnel or encountering deceased relatives. The nature and cause of these experiences remain speculative and not fully understood. 5. The placebo effect. The placebo effect occurs when a patient experiences a real improvement in their condition after receiving a treatment that has no therapeutic effect, simply because they believe it will help. The mechanisms underlying this phenomenon and why it can be so powerful are still not completely understood. 6. Psychic phenomena and supernatural events. Psychic phenomena such as telepathy and precognition have not been definitively explained by science. The question of whether these events actually occur and how they might work remains unresolved. 7. Parallel universes and the multiverse. Quantum mechanics and cosmological theories suggest the possibility of parallel universes or a multiverse. However, whether these universes actually exist, how they function, and their relationship to our universe remain unproven and speculative. 8. The nature of space-time. Explanation. There are still many unknowns about how space and time are integrated and interact, particularly the inconsistencies between gravity and quantum mechanics create uncertainties regarding the fundamental nature of spacetime. 9. The interior structure of black holes. Explanation. Black holes are regions where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. However, the exact nature of the singularity at the center of black holes involves significant uncertainties with our physical laws. Singularity represents a point of infinite density where current physical theories may break down. 10. Dark flow. Dark flow refers to the observed large-scale motion of galaxy clusters that seems to be moving in a direction that cannot be explained by the observable universe's known structures. The cause of this large-scale motion and what it might imply about the universe is still unclear. 11. The origin of cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation is the theory that the universe underwent a rapid expansion during the first moments after the Big Bang. While this theory explains many features of the universe, such as its uniformity, the exact mechanisms driving this inflation and the reason for its onset are not fully known. 12. The nature of time. Time is a fundamental aspect of our reality, but its true nature and why it flows in one direction, often referred to as the arrow of time, is still not completely understood. The relationship between time and the fundamental forces and particles of the universe is an area of active research. 13. Unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. UAPs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, refer to objects or lights seen in the sky that cannot be easily identified or explained. Recent military and governmental disclosures have brought these phenomena into the public eye, but their origins and nature remain unexplained. 14. Biological longevity and aging. While the biological processes behind aging are studied, the exact mechanisms that determine the lifespan of an organism and why aging occurs are not fully understood. Research into why some species live much longer than others and what factors influence longevity is ongoing. 15. The origin of life's complexity. The complexity of life, from simple cells to highly organized multicellular organisms, presents a challenge for scientists trying to understand how complexity arises naturally. The transition from simple molecules to complex life forms involves numerous steps that are not yet fully explained. 16. Antimatter. Antimatter is composed of particles that are the opposites of those making up regular matter. While antimatter has been produced and studied in laboratories, the reasons for the imbalance between matter and antimatter in the universe and how this affects the cosmos are not completely understood. 17. Dark matter and dark energy. It's believed that about 95% of the universe is composed of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter influences the motion of galaxies and galaxy clusters, while dark energy is thought to accelerate the expansion of the universe. However, the nature and properties of these two components remain unknown. 18. Mysterious high-energy physical phenomena. There are observations of extremely high-energy events in the universe, such as gamma-ray bursts and high-energy cosmic rays. The origins and mechanisms of these phenomena are still not fully understood. 19. The nature of consciousness. Consciousness, including which part of the brain produces it and how it arises, remains a profound mystery. There is no comprehensive explanation of how consciousness emerges, the neurobiological processes involved, or how conscious experiences come about. 20. Multiple intelligences and types of intelligence. There are many theories about the nature, varieties, and measurement of intelligence, but what intelligence truly is, how it functions, and the reasons for individual differences remain open questions. 21. Quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. The mechanism behind this, spooky action at a distance, remains one of the most perplexing aspects of quantum physics. 22. Memory formation and retrieval. While much is known about how memories are stored in the brain, the exact processes involved in memory formation and retrieval are not fully understood. How memories are encoded, maintained, and recalled, and why some memories are more resilient than others, remain areas of ongoing research. 23. The mystery of human consciousness. Human consciousness, including self-awareness, subjective experiences, and the sense of identity, remains one of the greatest mysteries in science and philosophy. The mechanisms through which neural processes translate into conscious experience are still largely unknown. 24. Bioluminescence in deep-sea creatures. Many deep-sea organisms produce their own light through bioluminescence. While the biochemical processes are understood, the full range of purposes and mechanisms for bioluminescence in these extreme environments is still being studied. 25. The nature of gravity waves. Gravity waves, or gravitational waves, are ripples in spacetime caused by massive objects accelerating, like merging black holes. While their existence was confirmed by the LIGO experiment, the detailed implications for our understanding of gravity and the universe are still being explored. 26. The Baryon asymmetry problem. The observable universe is dominated by matter, not antimatter. Even though the Big Bang should have produced equal amounts of both, the reason for this imbalance and the processes responsible for it remain key unsolved problems in particle physics and cosmology. 27. Animal navigation abilities. Many animals have extraordinary navigation abilities, such as migratory birds finding their way across continents or sea turtles returning to their birthplace. The exact mechanisms behind these abilities, including potential magnetic and celestial cues, are still under investigation. 28. The origins of genetic codes. Explanation. The genetic code. which dictates how DNA sequences are translated into proteins, is a universal feature of life. The origins of this code, why it evolved the way it did, and why it is so consistent across all known forms of life remain unclear. 29. The holographic principle. The holographic principle suggests that the entire universe might be described by information on a lower dimensional boundary, like a hologram. While this idea provides intriguing theoretical insights, its full implications and proofs are still being explored. 30. The nature of quantum measurement. In quantum mechanics, the act of measuring a system can affect its state, a phenomenon known as wave function collapse. The true nature of this collapse and how measurement interacts with the quantum world remains a subject of intense debate and research. 31. The source of cosmic microwave background, CMB, anomalies. The CMB is the afterglow of the Big Bang and provides a snapshot of the G at the cellular level. While aging at the organismal level is studied, the specific cellular mechanisms that drive aging, such as cellular senescence, telomere shortening, and oxidative stress, are still not fully understood. 33. The fine-tuning of physical constants. The physical constants of the universe, such as the strength of gravity and the electromagnetic force, appear to be finely tuned to allow for the existence of life. The reasons for this fine-tuning and whether it implies a multiverse or some other explanation are still debated. 34. The origin of the universe's large-scale structure. The formation of large-scale structures in the universe, such as galaxies and galaxy clusters, from the early uniform state is a key area of research. While simulations and observations provide some answers, the exact processes involved are still being studied. 35. Animal cognition and emotion. Understanding the cognitive and emotional experiences of animals, including their capacity for thought, problem-solving, and feelings, is a growing field. While there is evidence of sophisticated behaviors, the full extent of animal cognition and emotion is not yet completely understood. 36. The nature of cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation is a theory suggesting the universe underwent an exponential expansion during its early moments. While the theory explains many aspects of the observable universe, the specifics of how inflation started and how it ended are still subjects of investigation. 37. The origin of complexity in evolution. The emergence of complex life forms from simple organisms through evolution is well documented, but the precise mechanisms and the evolutionary steps leading to the rise of complex biological structures and behaviors are still under investigation. 38. Mysteries of the microbiome. The human microbiome, the collection of microorganisms living in and on our bodies, plays a crucial role in health and disease. While much is known about its impact, the full extent of its influence and interactions with human physiology are still being explored. 39. Unidentified subatomic particles. There are ongoing searches for new subatomic particles that might help explain anomalies in existing theories, such as dark matter candidates or other exotic particles. Discoveries in this area could significantly impact our understanding of fundamental physics. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.